So Darren, you need help with storage in your garage. I know the girls really like to play with all these different types of balls, so we're trying to create a nice caddy for the balls.
Oh.
It's going to keep all the balls in a nice storage area.
Okay.
To put this caddy together, it's pretty simple. For the top and bottom pieces, I already pre-marked where all the holes are going to be. And now what we'll do is just clamp it to the table so we can start drilling through. All right, now that we have our holes in our top and bottom pieces, we can put that to the side. And the next step of this process is going to be attaching these two pieces together. And for this, we're going to use our nail gun. So that piece is done. We have one more to do. Okay, now that we have this part done, we're going to take our bottom piece and attach it to this end. Just grab our top piece, and we're going to align it, but we're going to attach it on this side. All right, so we have our front piece in, but we also need to put our back piece in, and that's just going to be these pieces right here. All right, so we have our box done. Everything else is super simple because we're going to be stringing our bungee all the way around where the holes meet up.
Oh, fun.
This knot is going to keep this in place. So we have one side done, and now it's just a matter of putting on the other side and the front.
Okay.
And we are done.
Nice.
Except for we have one last bit, and that's to put on our nice little legs on the side. And that way, the legs will stop it from going all the way up against the ground since we have the knots on this side. Hey, what do you think?
I think it's cool. This is great.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wait until we get this up and then put all the balls inside, and it's gonna look amazing.
Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.